Alright, customer came in for an exhaust leak. Trying to find the exhaust leak. I don't see anything over there, but... Oh, wasn't this up? I don't know. Oh. It's probably it. Oh, wait, never mind. Oh, okay. Yeah. I found it. Alright.